Good day, my dear viewers and listeners at home. Welcome to the Wider World Production YouTube channel, and I remain additional Joseph Pascal, the CEO of the Wider World Production. In this video, I'll be showing us AAP students, Abraham Adesanya Polytechnic student, on how to register our course form. So this is a step-by-step video teaching you how to log in and register your course, download your courses, download your exam pass, and once you download them, you are going to print it out for you to sign at your HOD, Dean's office, and level advisor office. So I've made a screen record of how to go about it. So follow me now to my screen, check closely, and make sure you follow. So the link to doing the registration will be dropped in the description of this video. So please do well to check the description so that you can access it. So that being said, let's dive on to what is needed.
So welcome back to my screen. As I have mentioned in the beginning of this video, I'll be showing us a step-by-step guide on how to do our course registration on the new link portal that has been sent across to us. And as I have mentioned, the link to this portal will be attached in the description of this video. So please do well to check the description of this video and then check for the link of this video that I will be dropping. So first of all, you know that from the beginning of the video, if you have been watching through my previous video on how to log in and access your portal, there's a part in which I explained about course registration, and in that part you have to register all your courses for that semester that you are to embark on, in which now immediately after matric you will be registering for your course registration, download them, print them out, and then get them signed by your HODs and deans and faculty heads. So once you open the link, this is how the interface of how the portal is. You see something like important information. Before you register for course, you must number one pay your school fees at v4.apoly.edu.ng. that is the main school portal. As you can see, that is the main school portal. So you see something like you must have paid your administrative charges. The administrative charges is what you know as your asterisk payment of 39,500 for other departments and 45,000 naira for mass comm students. So you must have complete all these two payments. So already paid and is showing not paid, you need to contact your HOD if payment is not showing on the portal. So what do you need to log in? You only need your matric number or your email. You need your matric number or your email. So I'll be inputting a matric number here for this video purpose, for example. So once you input your matric number here, you are going to input your matric number here. And once you input your matric number here, you click on the button login. Then it's going to verify, load up your dashboard like this, and then it's going to bring out your profile. So it's going to bring out your profile. Then you click on. So once it brings you to this point, you are going to click on new. You are going to click on this draft. So once you click on this draft, you are going to click on view. So it's going to view your registration status, like when you registered. It's going to show, because this screen is better, so it's going to show you something like this, and then you click on register course. So once you click on register course, there's a saying that is here. It said your courses are automatically selected for you, and all you need to do is to confirm and submit. And if there's any complaint, kindly see your HOD. So you are going to check through all these courses. For the purpose of this video, I'm using a mass comm course as an example. So you are going to go through all your courses one by one. You go through all your courses one by one and make sure that they are all correct. So having checked all your courses and see that everything is correct, you are going to click on submit registration. You are going to click on submit registration. You click on submit registration. So you see first semester saved successfully, and then you come over here and click on print form. So once you print form, you click on print form, you'll be able to download form. You'll be able to download the form. The form will download like this to your phone. Hope you understand. And then you are done with your registration. Then from there also, you can also print your exam pass. See exam pass, downloading exam pass of first semester. You have also downloaded your exam pass successfully. So guys, this is how you are to do your registration. So for more engaging videos like this, please do well to like this video. You know that you have learned how to do the registration now yourself, so you don't need to keep this video to yourself. You need to share this video with your friend who you know that has not done the online course registration and printed his or her course form. So this is the nice time to send them this video and make sure they watch it and follow up with them. If you have any question about this explanation, you can do well to ask me in the comment section, not in my WhatsApp DM. I always make emphasis on this, in the comment section, not in the WhatsApp, in my WhatsApp DM. I have group chat for ND1 students where I give informations. If that interests you, please do well to text me on WhatsApp with your name and department on 081 3832 9701. I'll come again, 081 38329701. If I'm not available on WhatsApp, my chat bot will attend to you, but just make sure you send me a message to join my ND1 group chat with the wider world production. So till then, I see you when I see you. I remain Adesoya Joseph, the CEO of the wider world production. See you in my next video. Thank you.